These are the pictures and updates on social media as another far-right anti-Islamic group boasted about their provocations against Britain's Muslim community. This time the target was mosques in Bradford. Supporters of the far-right group say they targeted 10 mosques, and we know they entered at least 3, including this one behind me, handing out these hate-filled leaflets about Muslim grooming, calling Muslims paedophiles and threatening those inside. Police say they are now investigating the incidents.
We had 2 cars loaded with some young men, approximately about 10 of them, and they parked the cars outside and in a kind of a military style entered the masjid, and they came and they were quite aggressive to one of the masjid members, and they began having these leaflets and saying to him quite aggressively, "These are the things that you people do, groom girls, etc." And then they began saying, "Where's your imam? Where's your imam?"
George Galloway, who is a Bradford MP, visited some of the affected mosques on Monday.
It seems so far that no damage was done and no one was hurt by the grace of God. But it's nonetheless deeply disturbing. It's a new set of circumstances that these fascist elements are actually entering into Muslim property with their shoes on and with ill intent, and it could have been far worse.
The incident fits into a broader climate of Islamophobia in Britain. In mainstream media and politics, it has become the norm to sensationalise issues to do with the Muslim community. For over a week, the papers have been full of a scandal to do with British restaurants, including Subway serving halal meat. The consequence? Subway was also targeted in Bradford. But there was no reporting of that. In fact, as of going to air, no other major media outlet in Britain has reported on this story. It seems sometimes silence speaks 1,000 words. Nargis Moualari, Press TV, Bradford.